alternative government eyalenge hugely successful. Oyo minto omosike Riggy Gachagua nigateba privately
kwa moro ko mosike bono muntu impeach nabo mosike former deputy president. That's a title.
Yarengo mosike.
You can never take that away.
Muntu
kero muntu na wa
ko summary dismissal.
Kero muntu na wa
Bono tabuga tisiku, utabuga tisiku muntu oselirie.
Igateba private linga no nyembarabo chinguru ne motisha yoko genda go campaign ngo chire ya irananse. Banyoranga the enthusiasm and the passion with which bagenda te goitana na Kenya ya koleki o iranire zake. But ekere bachete gusi motivation ba irete korugusi eyalenge igoro mono because yo bwanchani na energy bale korra kurwa sabagusi asebale ebate betenga they have never seen anything like that na nditi bakageretenga gusi nenya hale ko bageni buna yabagenetie.
Yes,
Lawrence, we had crowds. Kwanza say, you know, Bonchari. A crowd carrying a Bonchari, you cannot begin to imagine. A crowd carrying a Kenya, a crowd carrying a Yamache, a crowd carrying a crowd carrying a Basongo. You know, they were thinking Amatiangita Konyara. Pulled the kind of crowd up pulling a kid in May last year. A carabona at the Copocele on Abagusi. But you saw a crowd carrying Gegusi, carrying a crowd Kiacheche.
Okay.
So in terms of success, a trip where a united opposition, it was very, very successful.
Still was no Jumbo or elected.